All right, fam, we're gonna do a video of basically, how our order process works. What happens when you guys call or email or, request a part or buy a part from us. Kind of how that looks on an average day. We're gonna take you along with us in the whole process and see what you think. So here we go.
All right, hey, let's see what we got for parts orders today. Customer's looking for a front axle shaft and inner only. So that's location axle rack R5C. Let's go see. $254 to $557. All right. So this is dirty and is going to need to be cleaned up. And the reason that we do this after we sell them is because of the shelf wear. This particular item we're gonna actually take over to the sandblaster and blast it up, and then we'll take it out and we'll tape everything off and then paint it before we ship it out. So this is the fun part. It's relaxing. I love it. Small enough to fit into the sandblaster, so that's good. Here we go. Okay, that wasn't too bad. It's pretty simple. Like that. I like it when things go smooth. Grab the work order. And now we're taking this back to the paint area. I like to keep the work order with me wherever I'm going. That way it doesn't get lost, especially while it's painting. Occasionally you can get forgetful, and not generally though, because it's an order that needs to head out in order. And we just do black. It's pretty classic. Sometimes it depends on what we're painting. Transmission, stuff like that may be a pretty silver. Okay, so now we are going to tape off the splines before we paint. I think I'm gonna tape off up to the shiniest part. That's my judgment on it, without jawing around. Kinda let me know for sure. No judging.
All right, fam, we got you through the painting process, and now Megan, she's moved on to other stuff, and so we're gonna have Abby finish up the packaging, getting ready to ship, that sort of stuff. So here we go.
Our part is ready. We'll stock number it and picture it and then get it ready for shipping. Every part of the part. Now that we've stock numbered and pictured our part, we will go over to our shipping table and get this packaged up and sent out to our customer. So we have our box. Now that our package is ready, we'll get a weight on it, dimensions, and slap a label on there and send it over to our customer. Now we'll get the shipping label ready for it and ship it out. Order is ready.
All right, guys, that was basically just a quick video showing our process on what happens when we get an order. From start to finish, getting the order in, finding it in the warehouse, getting it cleaned up, getting it shipped, headed out to our customers. It's not too bad of a process. We like to send out nice clean parts. We like to check them over. This is a good inspection process, a step in the inspection process for our orders to make sure everything's good as well. That's pretty much it for the video. As always, we want you to like, subscribe, share the videos, ring the bell so you don't miss any videos, and keep up with us on what goes on in a salvage yard. We're going to have more of these videos, and we like taking you along. So until the next one, thanks for watching.